Hey guys, it's Mr. Snyder. I hope you're doing well. I hope that you are able to establish a routine and wake up at a certain time every day and go to bed at a certain time every day. Hopefully, going to bed is at night when it's not too late. Waking up is in the morning. I hope you're treating your parents well too. So, anyway, this lesson is lesson 7. It's called Levels of Organization, which means basically going from really small to really large, like the cell to an ecosystem or a biome. And we take it a little bit further and we go a little bit smaller also in this, just for fun. This is stuff you'll learn in 10th grade again. So I'm going to go through the slides and just point out some things to you. Okay, so this video is just showing you things that are really small and things that are really large. This is the same, but you can toggle on the bottom, and this is being covered up, but right on the bottom you'll see a little tab where you can slide back and forth and see how big and small things are right there. Okay, oops. A couple videos. Amoeba sisters, what would life be like without amoeba sisters, right? Explaining levels of organization. And then this activity where we put this on the slideshow so you don't have to go into another document. Aren't you happy about that? It makes it a lot easier for us too, as long as you turn it in when you're done. There's a word bank to the right, and you can't see it right now, but you'll have it, and you can drag pictures and descriptions over. So as you can see, this is an example of a tissue, and this is a description of tissue, a bunch of cells working together. This is muscle tissue. Then the second part of this lesson is on something called ecological succession. That means things change over time. Excuse me. So an area that you look at now is going to look different 50 years from now or 100 years from now. So that's what that means. And these videos explain it. There are two types of succession: primary, which is first, and then secondary, which comes after. These activities, you drag your words into the right places. If you've watched the video carefully, you'll be able to do this. You may need to go back to the videos and watch them a couple times. Don't feel bad about that if you do. Definitely, a lot of people will need to do that. This is secondary succession. The big difference between the two is secondary succession starts on soil. Right here, this is soil. With one right here, this is bare rock. So nothing has lived here at all yet. Then things come and they live, and eventually something may happen, like a forest fire, and then they start over. So here you already have soil, and it doesn't take as much time to develop into mature wood trees. This is about biotic and abiotic factors. A review. You guys know this, but a little review for you. And then a study guide so that you can do the checkup. And notice this is all the study guide here. But then down below, right behind that bar, it says Edge Elastic. That's your checkup. Please don't do the checkup until you've done everything else first. And then when you've done everything, submit, which is just turn in on Google Classroom. And then the Edge Elastic, I'll see when you're done on that. If for any reason you want to redo this, definitely let me know and I'll just wipe the score out and you can try it again. Thanks, and that's it for now. Take care. Bye.